Hi everybody, sit back and watch the video on how we can make Excel run faster. There will be two ways. You certainly know it. You start Excel and you are first shown the splash screen. It's nice to say good morning, but to open an empty workbook, we have to click again. That's an extra 1 or 2 seconds and it delays a lot. It's not entirely clear to me why Microsoft delays several 100 million people around the world like this every day, but it does. Let's make a setting so that an empty workbook is displayed directly after starting Excel. On the File tab, select Options and under General, drag the scroll bar all the way down. In the Startup options, there is a checkbox Show the start screen when the application starts. We have to uncheck it. We confirm OK. Well, we'll test it again. When you start Excel, a new blank workbook will immediately appear. The second tip for speeding up Excel is not to launch the application via Start and then Excel, but to pin the program to the taskbar. It's very simple. When Excel is running, click on the icon with the right mouse button and select Pin to Taskbar. From this moment, we can launch Excel with a single click on the taskbar icon. I believe that my tips for Excel have helped you. Please support me and subscribe to the channel, share and comment.